Gotta leave him if you know you can't trust him. Self-made nigga that started out with nothing. Disrespect won't hesitate to buck him. My father used to say mother had a motherfucker. Gotta leave him if you know you can't trust him. Self-made nigga that started out with nothing. Disrespect won't hesitate to buck him. My father used to say mother had a motherfucker. I grew up pitching niggas the size of Tylenol. Where I'm from, we don't got nothing but one at all. I ain't the type to get inspired seeing niggas ball. Shoot the crown off your balls till I see them fall. We in the streets for real, it gave me the chills seeing cuz with $250,000. No big faces, 20s and small bills. I went to Buff and came back, this nigga was counting still. We chase chicken, you drive turkey. The work that I cook, chop thicker than beef jerky. Round the way, a lot of niggas wanna hurt it. Just know I keep a 9 like a Ron through Jersey. He want my spot, but ain't worthy. My record took off and built the production up under me. I'm in a different demographic. I struggle rap trash shit going triple plastic. Hit maker, get money motivator, room shaker, spinning my own paper. Moves major, 5 magazine later. How your day one fam could turn hater. Built a platform for my team to split. Not the type to talk boss and I ain't got shit. Bank accounts to Swiss, keep chewing that tuna fish. I assign work for hire. You ain't fucking with this, me. Born to lead, shit I like to read. Manifesting my dreams, bringing wishes to my reality. Niggas woke up the beast, they can't see everything that I own is everything you wanna be. Pure raw for these streets, it's 9-3 niggas not in tune, my vocals is out of reach. It's a shame what I do to these beats. Sole owner of an entity, it's bigger than V. Inmates in the building and I'm holding the keys to a multi-million-dollar industry. Building legacy, rhymes fresh out the treasury. Work treasure, that plaque on the wall, that's what it's telling me. Gotta leave him if you know you can't trust him. Self-made nigga that started out with nothing. Disrespect won't hesitate to buck him. My father used to say mother had a motherfucker. Gotta leave him if you know you can't trust him. Self-made nigga that started out with nothing. Disrespect won't hesitate to buck him. My father used to say mother had a motherfucker.